Good morning one and all, and welcome to your daily dose of distraction. Today, let's clean the house together. Why not? I've done a speed cleaning video on this channel before, and surprisingly, you will really like that. They're the most satisfying videos to watch. I have a feeling at the moment, everyone's house is going to become sparkling clean. So, also realised, did the live stream in this jumper, did the audiobook video in this jumper. You're going to see me in this jumper every day. Because it's my favourite jumper and it's just freshly washed a couple of days ago. That is fresh, it's still fresh. It's my lounging jumper. They stay fresh for weeks. So you can have robe until I get too warm. And then we got jumper back. All right, let's speed clean the house, get some satisfying time lapses for you to help you. And yeah, anything I think of to talk about, we'll talk about. But until then, enjoy the time lapses. Enjoy. This is still the best thing ever. I need to quickly point out that I hate having carpet in this bathroom. This is a PSA? Yes, PSA. Don't ever do it. I think it's just the most revolting thing, but we're in a rented home. So, yeah. Not my choice. Not my choice. All right, moving on. Let's move past the disgust together, shall we? Excuse me, one moment. Must find it. Where are you? It's my favourite scent ever, and you don't have to vacuum it up, which is amazing, because I just vacuumed. It's a brand new day, it's a Wednesday, robe is being featured. I changed my top, it's Wednesday, it's a brand new day, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so, speed cleaning the kitchen today. Enjoy the time lapse, because my God, if there's any room in the house that is clear, like it's never this bad. I keep a very nice kitchen, I do. But lately, I've just been getting very bored of cleaning the kitchen. So it's been getting bad, and it just reads self-isolation everywhere you turn. From old pizza boxes and Amazon deliveries to Scott drinking his disgusting Coors Light. I judge him heavily for it. Oh, the emptiness. It's very bad. It's very low. Cannot wait to try these. Every time I went into oh God, what's it called? Wayland's Yard in Birmingham city centre, I always saw these. And I've always wanted to try one. Oh my goodness. We'll try this tonight if I remember. Nice hot chocolate. I know. It's very arousing to look at. Oh, look, just look how tidy that is. Urgh. Oh, would you just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Sparkling, you could eat your dinner off it. If you do, I'd have to murder you. It's taken many an hour. However, very happy. Right, so we are going to do the lounge today, and that will conclude. I know I've not done the office, but that is literally like a whole video on its own. It needs a dedicated time on this channel. Again, I do a lot of cleaning my office videos, I think. Have I got like what? Organising, building, rearranging my office, like 3 of them? What are you going to get a 4th? Believe that. So we're gonna do the lounge now. Oh my god, we've got Friends on Netflix, you know, because I haven't seen them enough. And yeah, let's get cleaning. Big story though. Before all of the madness occurred, I was planning to do a video, which will still happen when it is safe to travel again, of me basically pitting the best travel products against each other and having like a budget range, mid-range and an expensive one in different categories. And then we decide what's the best travel products of 2020, ironically, and companies saw that and they literally just like flooded me with products, which are amazing, and I was so excited about filming this, and it will be filmed. Thank you, just a massive shout out, because obviously they're all going to be struggling, every business is going to be struggling, but these will all be put safe upstairs for when we are ready to bring them out. Cannot wait for that video, so excuse me.